This is a very special video where I will show you that how you can do trade and you will never lose your profit that you gain here. So I will share with you the management strategy and everything in this video, so you will never lose your gain profit from your trade. So let's get start this video. So here you can see I have there into my chart. In this my trading view I have open one there. So there you can see this is GBP USD and this is 15-minute time frame chart here. So first of all we are going to making the structure mapping there. So first of all I will open this my highlight button. So there you can see first of all we see a big move here. So as usual we can see this, it was shifted to the bearish already. So we are looking for the sell trade right now here. So now let's forward there. And you can see this is a big move here. So this is from here I'm going to starting to marking the structure. So this is our high as you consider, and this is our low, and this is, you can see, a break of structure is happened to the bottom downside. So now we are going to making this another new high or new low. There you can see, so this is actually structure changes. So there now we're going to finding some more structure inside there, and this is the consolidation phase there, but it is a downside consolidation. We're going to finding the important zone, and this will be basically a scalping trading strategy. So I'm going to share this, so how to do that. So then the second one, so we're going to finding this is this area has been done the break of structure, exactly this candle. So now there you can see the new low and there is a new high we find out, and then you can see there is another break of structure on this candle. So this is our new low, and from this move started, so this is our new high. So I'm gonna mark it, and let me remove all this drawing so I can show you that perfectly. So this is our new high and this is our new low, and this is our break of structure. Okay, fine. Now let me draw this as a perfect structure here. So now let me draw a break of structure. So this is here, we get the break of structure. So this is here, and then I'm gonna marking as our high, this one. So this is our high and marking it high. Now this is our low, actually the point of low. So now we're going to make it as a low. Also we can consider this low also here, but because this low is the breakout and sweep out there inside there, we can consider this one, but I'm gonna considering in the last one, the which is here. So this is the last swing low, I'm gonna mark it, and this is the low. So we have marked successfully. Now we're going to finding a trading entry zone, where we are interested to place the trade. As usual we know that this is a break of structure in the downside, so which is basically market bearish. So we are definitely finding a sell position here. So we're going to finding out. So first of all we see there is some liquidity zone, there is a order, some order is mentioned here, and there is a liquidity is containing here this level area. Now before this liquidity we can see there is an order block, which is actually this green candle, and you can see from after this last green candle you can see the market is swept out. This is the big move, so it means there behind is institutional investor are behind it. So now we'll mark it as a order block. So let's mark it this one. This is our order block demand zone. So this is our sell demand zone of order block. Now we will wait for the market should come gradually and sweep out this liquidity and tap our entry zone of this area. So now we are waiting for it. Now let's forward it and let's see where it's going there. So now I'm gonna shifting to this. Also we can keep him on this 15-minute time frame also. Now let's see. You can see there is a candle is nearly tapped, but it didn't tap to our demand zone. So this is why we'll ignore it. Now we're waiting for it to tap our zone. Now you can see it was came again and it is still not tap. Now this candle is tap our demand zone successfully. Now I will shift it to 1 minute time frame. So find our entry position and the confirmation here. So now we can see, if we zoom out there, so we can see this is a last low and this one is another last low. This is actually sweep out this liquidity. So when there is a liquidation is happen in this area, a small liquidation we know, but we're interested in here. So we can find out a small liquidity is swept out. So this is here, we can see there is a liquidity swept out and it was done successfully, the liquidation. So now we'll mark out for the change of character. So this is before doing this liquidation. So we can see the last swing down low is here actually. So now we will make it as a change of character when it's happened, and you can see this candle is successfully from this taking this liquidity from here After taking this liquidity, it has been closed above this or change of character. So now we are interested in here because it has been done this sweep out. So now I'm gonna interested to place the trade. Where actually we'll place this trade. So the thing is, actually I want to this when it has been take the break of structure and it was take the change of character. So from this move, actually after this candle, it was started to moving forward downside. So now we will find it. This is as our demand zone because this is the last candle that made by the institutional and who fall this market to down this downside, this 3 to around 4 candle downside there. So this is our demand zone, and now we want the market should came down here slowly and tap our entry and then shoot down. So now let's see and where it's gone. So now we'll wait for to move to the demand zone to chart the come. So this is actually is nearly this our level area is came there. So now I will place my NT exactly here, and my SL will be definitely the last swing low, sorry, the last swing high, above the last swing high, and my target should be our low here, the lowest point. If we get the before going to this low target, sorry, it's if we, this is our the last low that we can target this one, and there you can see this is 10.57, but this is so long and so far away. If it good, if we get this target, so first of all I want to move to a small time frame. If we target this level, what you can get there is 1:7, so that is fair, good enough. So we can play on this for this 1:7. So now we'll wait for the entry. Now let's see, you can see there is a created an interesting things. This is an interesting point. You can see this is tap this area and then break out also this level. So this area, so a lot of people will be think that they can enter this level exactly and they can keep the SL here, but this is wrong. So if you do that, the market should go and take out this SL. The reason is why it's created there. The thing is, so I'm gonna explain you here. There is coming from a liquidity techniques here. So what you can see, the market know that they will come to this the institutional investor zone where the institutional are active, but they want to make, if they say that they're this area, they having the quantity they are getting there, this is lower quantity their requirement, so that's why they create a liquidity zone here. So we will going to mark it as a liquidity zone. So this is our liquidity zone. So there is have the liquidity, and now we want to see that it should take out, sweep out the liquidity. Now just go forward, and you can see it was fall down almost nearly our target area, but don't worry, we must be need to follow as our analysis and our requirement. So now let's see, go forward the candle. You can see it is again came here, and we're going to forward this, and let me forward our demand zone too. So now if we see, this is nearly a liquidity area, but it doesn't sweep still. So now let's see with more. So now you can see this is the candle which is swept our liquidity successfully. This has been done the liquidity sweep successfully. So this means the institutional get the exactly the quantity what they want by according this liquidity. So they fill their order, all of this order block demand zone. Also we made enter into this demand zone area exactly the same position where the institutional are waiting for placing their order. So you also place this order, and you can see that our order is successfully executed also there. So now we'll forward this chart. Let's see it's going to targets or not. Now you can see it was doing this marketing forwarding here. So there is getting the attention, and you can see there it was nearly to our targets, and this is nearly our target area. So now we can see, let me forward, and there you can see that candle there, we can see that the target is successfully hit it. And there is important thing, if we going to, then there important thing you can do, the one thing that we can close half of your position and then you can make it as a break even. But then it's there, the position is how it was happened there, it can be take out your the half of your position, it can be take out the break even. So this is why I closed my complete 100% here. Why this is I closed 100% and why not trail to the break even? The reason is very simple. You can see there is the market is completely falling down from here to there, and there you can see so lot of candle and so lot of reaction is happen. So there why I close this, the reason is, the very important reason is here, so lot of liquidity is actually getting here. So this is why the markets can be go back from here and take out the break even and then shoot out, but I don't want to miss this profit that I get, so I want to close my complete position here. So this is way you can close the completed position, and this is how you can make your risk management and your reward management. You don't gonna lose your profit. So this is the way I close my complete position. So I hope you understand this, what is actually the logic this trade and how it's work, and every step by step. Also break even this 1 minute time frame, 15-minute analysis, and 1 minute time frame. We find this our entry zone and we made this target, and successfully we win this trade successfully. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like on it and do subscribe. Also share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.